Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus POCO F3 GT device after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update and the MIUI 12.5.7 update. And both phones do have the Dimensity 1200 chipset and both are same variants which are 8GB and 128GB variants which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. Let's see friends which phone has got what type of CPU throttling test scores. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. Let me disable the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi is also disabled at this moment. And let's open the CPU throttling test application right now. So here's the application which I did open, and both phones I need to use the same settings exactly 100 threads and 15 minutes of time. Let's see friends what will be the total CPU throttling test comparison between this both phones. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. So let's start the test and let's check the temperatures. What is the temperature? 28 degrees and 29.4 degrees. Little bit higher in the POCO F3 GT, but that's not a huge. So there is no high performance used during this process of demonstration in the Realme X1 Max device. So let's see friends what will be the overall CPU throttling graph we can actually get in this moment. And again I'll be back after some time, maybe when the time gets close to 5 minutes of time, then we'll try to discuss more details about this both phones. Again I'll be back after some time. So we did reach exactly close to 5 minutes of time. Let's check the temperatures. 35.6 degrees Celsius in the POCO F3 GT and 37.2 degrees Celsius. 37.2 we got highest in the Realme X1 Max, and the back side is of 36.2 degrees Celsius on the back side. And front side is 37.4. So overall the highest temperatures in the Realme X1 Max device, and POCO F3 GT right now it has got 35.6 and on the back side 33.6. So that's pretty low. So close to 2 to 3 degrees difference is there between these both phones regarding the CPU throttling graph, as you can clearly see friends. And let's see what will happen after some time. So again I'll be back after maybe when the time gets close to 10 minutes of time. Exactly after 11 minutes and 10 minutes of time, you can see clearly it went up to red color indication in the POCO F3 GT, and Realme X1 Max also did reach to that kind of red color indication, you can see, but did not stay for a long time at that point particularly. But POCO F3 GT was able to maintain like red color consistent. So this is after the recent MIUI 12.5.7 update friends. So this is how the situation is regarding the CPU throttling in the POCO F3 GT. You can clearly see what's happening. And in case if you want me to do any other in-depth comparison between side by side, so let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do those videos as soon as possible. But right now, as you can see, this is the situation at this moment after recent software update. So I'm going to be back after 15 minutes of time, then we can discuss more details. So we're getting close to end of the benchmark test results. Right now you'll be able to see exactly what's happening. So red color indication. So both phones that CPU throttling is happening, especially in both devices, Dimensity 1200 when comparing side by side. Let's see friends what will be the final score, how much we can actually get between these both phones right now, and which we should be able to see just in a bit within 10 seconds of time. So right now the final results we got here friends, and the CPU total up to 57%. That is very very low, as you can see, 57. I think this is one of the lowest score which we got in the POCO F3 GT after this MIUI 12.5.7 update. So usually with this kind of MIUI updates, every time one or the other thing will be screw up. So more positive than more negative will happen friends sometimes with the MIUI updates. You know, the Realme UI 3.0 update as well, these are the results which we got here, and you can actually compare the highest scores, medium scores and the low scores as well, average, maximum, average and the minimum. You can clearly see what's happening, and I'll try to show you the CPU throttling test in the POCO F3 GT which I did do before the update, so you can actually get a clear idea. So before the update and after the update, what's exactly happening with the CPU throttling test. So this is the CPU throttling test graph which I did on 28th of November, and this is the score which I got. You can see clearly friends, it's not bad, right? It's not that bad because CPU total up to 76%. So it was able to maintain really good. But right now, after this recent update, which is 12.5.7 update, this is the score which we got. So this is a 12.5.7 update. That's it friends, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.